Hello everybody. I got this television for free on Craigslist. You can see the model number right there. The diagnosis from the donor was that the backlights were not working, but clearly the backlights are working. I have the sound down. This TV is hooked up to an over-the-air antenna. It's a digital signal, and the colors are not right. Here's an example. You can see the colors are not very good. I've got the new T-Con card installed, the timing control card, or timing control board installed, and the picture colors look much better. Colors are substantially improved. The T-Con board is pretty small. That's a quarter on the left side for size reference. And the way you need to order your replacement part is you need to match up this number right here, V52H1-C06, and also make sure your replacement board has this number on it, D025860. Those are the two numbers you need to search on eBay to find a replacement card, assuming those are the numbers in your set. But those are the numbers in my set. I paid about $20 for the card delivered. And I like to buy from sellers who allow you to return items. And if you pay with PayPal, PayPal will actually refund you the shipping charge if the merchant won't pay for the return shipping if you make your eBay purchase with PayPal. So if you found this video helpful or entertaining or useful, how about a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel.